Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is May the 20th, 2024, and over the weekend I went to an Amish greenhouse and I decided we're going to start adding some dahlias into our plantings, and thankfully they had them. I did find some seeds for them, which I'll be showing you that in another video. So I wanted to show you here what I did get. This here is, let me grab the tag here. So this dahlia here, it's a different series I've never had before. It's a purple and white color, and it does have full blooms. Now this one here, this is the first year that these were grown. I'm going to assume that they were probably done by cuttings when they got them from their supplier. And you'll notice it's not quite full yet. So as your dahlias, the first year that they're growing, as they mature in their second years, they'll have more of the fuller blooms on them. So that's the same way if you grow them like from seed, because I know that they get their plant plugs. So this one here is its first year. It's focusing on producing tubers. And then we have this one back here. This is a beautiful pink one. I had to have this one here. And this is the name of that variety there. And you can see how gorgeous these blooms are. They did have some other colors there, but these were the two that really stood out to me. And really wanted to give these a try. The plants are beautiful, nice dark green. So these are going to be part of my cut flower garden. And we're going to be putting these in containers. Now I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in zone 5B. So these are not winter hardy in my growing zone. So we're going to be putting these in the containers, and then after the frost we're going to be dumping them out and taking the tubers out that they form and storing them for next year. So you can put them in the ground and choose to dig them out. But I find that it's easier to put them in a very large container and then just take them out of the container at the end of the season. So I got 3 colors of this one here, and I got 2 of the pinks there. But I love this color. It's showing up a little bit lighter on my camera than what it actually is. You can see they have a lot of different blooms coming. Now there are different types of dahlias. There are dwarf dahlias and there are your taller dahlias. There's all different types of blooms. So you want to do some research on and find out what you would like for your cut flower garden. Or you can use them just in containers as decorative. You can put them in the ground. Some do well as borders. You just want to make sure that you have well-drained soil and enough drainage. They can be heavier feeders, so we are going to be feeding these when we transplant them with some Epsom bulb tone, and I will be doing a video on these when I transplant them, and I'll be having it on my channel then. Now I do have a video on my channel for growing dahlias from seed, and I'll have a link for that at the end of this video that you can check out on there. And I'm going to be showing you then a little updated method on starting dahlias from seed, so that video will be coming. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button that tells you I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!